Welcome to our volunteers under European Solidarity Corps project in stunning Belasica mountain in Petrich, Bulgaria. Over the course of 45 days with our young volunteers, we embark on a journey of conservation, community and cultural exchange that promise to leave a profound impact of both the environment and our lives. Our days are filling with purposes activities for cleaning a mountain, paths of renovating mountain huts with fresh paint and love. We also lend a helping hand to the local community, whether it's a truly daily task or surrounding local initiatives. And let's not forget about our commitment to our forests, where we work diligently to ensure their preservation and vitality for future generations. Join us in the heart of Belasica mountain, where every action, no matter how small, contributed to a large legacy of conservation and community building. Together, let's make a difference and create an impact that will echo from the valley to the peak of Belasica mountain and beyond.
I was going through a burnout from work and I wanted to have some time in nature and try to experience house life in the mountains in Bulgaria and to do more of physical work to take my mind off a little bit.
I applied this project because I believe that every connection has another kind of dimension. So whenever I want connection, I can build a dimension of myself and universe. So here I am.
I joined this project because I believe in the power of teamwork and making a positive impact in our environment.
I'm here to give a little part from me and received a little part from others.
I'm here to improve my proficiencies in volunteering field to be a professional coordinator in the future and to improve my English skills also, because all of us speak English.
I think volunteering is taking a leap into the unknown. Try to find yourself while discovering new ways of life. Whenever you go, you just have yourself, your skills and background to offer, and art is my main one. I like to make art in other countries because for me art means connection, childhood, communication. And if we can make art together, we don't need to speak. With art, we can peacefully and easily change the world around us.
I don't have a motivational answer to it, but I think it's just easier to move forward because the other choices, quitting it and then regretting it later. So I think it's best just to try and get through it.
The answer can be very simple. There are more positive things here, but the most attractive one is that we can get to know ourselves better.
When I live in the moment, I know that it's not gonna last forever. So when things get tough, I know that it's gonna be over. And I mean, look around. There are so many things to appreciate.
What's holding me back is nature. The landscape here are wonderful, especially during this spring period when I contemplate the forest and I really feel alive, and for me things are going well with this.
I think that volunteering is not pure altruism. It's above all an exchange. An exchange between a volunteer and the hosting organization. Of course, the volunteer contributes his or her skills and takes part in the organization's project. For my part, I use the energy of my youth to carry out the most physical tasks and my creativity to make a documentary. But volunteers also receive a great deal, probably even more than they give. I think that every volunteer in our group is acquiring useful skills and above all, creating unforgettable memories.
My favorite moment from this project was when we all went to Plovdiv and we went to sunset together, dancing until the sun went down.
So my favorite memory of the project was when we all went to Varna. We watched the sunrise with strangers that we met last night, and it was a magical place, magical people. And then we spontaneously went to the thrift shop, bought swimsuits and just went to the beach to spend the day there. So it was amazing.
My favorite moment for sure was singing in the streets of Plovdiv. At first I was scared, but then shout out to Jack and Vicky for encouraging me. I was really scared, but it was a magical moment after I sang.
My favorite memory is the night when we presented our countries and cultures to the older volunteers and local people. We told each other interesting information about our countries and we had a great time.
My best memory in this project is discovering the Bulgarian culture, because it's my first time getting abroad of my country. I really get in love with their music and their special dances, and it was really good.
To conclude, I'm very satisfied of achievement that we have in our volunteering project. The dedication and hard work of our young volunteers have surpassed all expectations, leaving a lasting impact of the local community. Looking ahead, I invite young people from all backgrounds to join us in future projects. Whether you are passionate about environmental conservation, cultural exchange, or community building, there's a place for you. Stay tuned for upcoming opportunities to get involved and be part of something truly meaningful. And like I always say to our volunteers, enjoy of your free time in Bulgaria. We love you.
That's the first thing I thought when... Come, Jack!
Teşekkür ederim.
شكرا.
Спасибо большое.
Şükran.
يعيش.
Teşekkür ederim.
Merci.
Благодаря.